Hi, it's me again with Corel All Tips and Tricks. And this person I'm already trying to help has already figured that out himself before he got back to me. But I've got a transparency, I've got a picture that is sharp, but he's got a transparency on top of it to kind of fuse it. And then he brings in a red line like right there. And you can see it, even if you go to Object, Order, Back a Page, the transparency is still showing through, or the red is still showing through the transparency. There's two ways to do that. One of them, he took a white circle, the exact same size, then went to Object, Order, Back a Page, and then you need to step this up, go to Object, Order, Front of Page. Well, that's why I don't really do this, because if we need to put this behind the white. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab both these pictures and just put it behind the page right now. And I'm going to show him another way to do it. There we go. And then you can put your transparency, and I wish I hadn't had my outlines set on red. Let's take those away. And that would be one way to do it. My white box is a little bit. The other way I would do it, because I don't know really about printing. So we've got a white box here, or white circle. Let's delete it. Let's put all these together, and let's pick them up a little bit, and then we're going to hit CE on the keyboard and put it like that. What you can do to stop that, and it's a pretty neat logo. I just saw it. I left it so you wouldn't have to worry about it. You could do this. You could left click, right click, and then take the Smart Fill tool, sit on that red and fill that in, and then take your outline away with your right mouse button click. So you get the same effect. I think it's a little better because there's no chance that, I don't know about printing and stuff. That's a pretty cool effect. And if we click on that and go to the transparency tool, you can make it less or more transparent. So it gives a picture of, I don't understand 100% why you would want that, but it does make the picture look a little different when printing, I guess. You know, you could take all the transparency out and it's just become white. Pretty cool effect, but that's how I would hide it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.